this is Josh with Biggs Harley Davidson and North County Indian. That's Sean.
What up?
And that's Nolan. Today we have a 2019 Heritage Softail.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah! 2019 Heritage Softail in Vivid Black. This is a 114 6-speed transmission. It does have a windscreen, but we're starting off with the LED lights, crash bar. These are FXR division bars.
FXR.
Show him one more time just to show you what you'll be competing against once you're out on the road. All the pedals have been customized. You got leather pros, passenger backrest, LED lights. That's my boy coming in hot. Let's show him what it sounds like when it's alive. Do I even need to mention we got S&S intake and exhaust? You don't even know about California compliant. You run a Thunderheader. Let's go. We got a lot of bikes. Show all the bikes, Lexi. Show all the bikes. We got a lot of bikes here. If this one doesn't fit for you, we'll find you something to do. Ask for Sean. Ask for Josh. Ask for Mark. Mark, raise your hand. That's him. We hope to see you here. Take this baby home. Let's go.